Ciao amici di Facebook, oggi faremo video ricetta pizza con farina Caputo e l'ho chiamata pizza nuvola. Non dite niente, mi raccomando.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it.
I used to think I lived in the best country on earth, till I finally took a trip and left the land of my birth. Expanded my search to look back, examine the worth of my country, and began to understand that it's cursed. Not by the devil, but the devilish ways of mankind. Subconscious is the level it stays and never escapes. All the blood spilled for progress, poisoned the melting pot and made it a hot mess. It's deep like Loch Ness, where monsters lurk. We're asleep, but got stressed from constant work. They tell you the economy is doing spectacular, but they don't talk about the slaves from West Africa that built its foundation, or the First Nation tribes that barely survived colonial invasion. It's not ancient, history is still happening. We don't have that conversation, so it comes back again. There's no question too deep to answer. Unobserved, unspoken words creep like cancer. The chief commander acting like it's a joke made a lot of racists stand up, they finally spoke. Now the cover is blown, true colors are known, the ignorant shown. Caught on cellular phones and broadcast to your homes. True facts, the evidence that racism didn't end with a black president. The past made the present tense, and right now our unspoken history haunts the White House. They say we're all the same when you turn the lights out, but that don't mean a thing when they turn your lights out. No joke, some folks been kept broke for generations, still struggling with subtle forms of enslavement. If we don't have this conversation, the last laugh goes to those who want the nation to crack in half.